Table Filter and Charts is a versatile and easy-to-use tool for managing tables and data in Confluence. The app replaces multiple tools for separate tasks and covers all of your needs. The Table Filter macro allows to filter tables on the fly. Different filter types work with any data, text, numbers, dates, and images. The Excel-like table spreadsheet macro includes all the features we love and use daily. The Pivot Table macro groups values in a couple of clicks. You can summarize table data and see the big picture of your project. 15 chart types gathered in the Chart from Table macro let you visualize table data, analyze your projects with the help of the Gantt chart, build dashboards and reports, and share the results with your team. But there is more. You can use all the macros separately or combine them in the Table Toolbox macro. Reuse tables within your Confluence instance, display tables from the external sources, transform and combine them with other content. Start the free trial today. Explore the robust feature set and flexibility of the app.